Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming access to the phone, account credentials, and any backups tied to it. Once that's ready, enable airplane mode to prevent new data from overriding deleted entries. Next, open your cloud backup settings, iCloud or Google Contacts, and search recent snapshots or sync logs. If you have a local computer backup, connect the phone and run the backup extraction tool. Make sure to record the backup date, so you know which snapshot might contain the deleted numbers. Once done, check Cloud Restore options. iCloud has a contacts restore that rolls back changes. Google allows restoring contacts to a prior time. If Cloud Restore isn't available, scan local backups with a forensic or recovery tool and export contact files, VCF/CSV. Meanwhile, contact your carrier for call or SMS logs, which often contain numbers. Alternatively, export the SIM with a reader. Make sure to compare dates so you pull the correct snapshot, and keep recovered files read-only to prevent corruption. You finish by importing the recovered VCF or CSV into your Contacts app and forcing a full sync so entries reappear across devices. Once imported, verify each contact for duplicates or missing fields and merge thoughtfully to avoid losing data. If numbers still don't show, try restoring an earlier snapshot or rerun the extraction with different settings. Sometimes changing file formats helps. One troubleshooting tip: if results are blank, check account sync settings and storage permissions. Reauthorize the account and repeat the restore, then recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.